Coach, bakit sabi mo watching news is a garbage? Well, you're talking about yung mga TV patrol and all those things, right? Or even sa newspaper. Are they more of the positive or more negative? Do you think news that we watch on TV, in radio, on newspaper, are they more positive or negative? Tell me. Negative. There goes the answer. It feeds your mind. It makes you think the end of the world. Like say itong coronavirus. I'm not saying it's not important. I'm not saying we don't pay attention. But if you keep listening and hearing, kala mo yung sa pelikula, ano yung pelikulang guys na merong sakit na nagiging zombie lahat? Yung iba, ganun na ang tingin. Train to Busan, maraming salamat. Or World War Z rin, yeah. Kaya yung kamukha ko, si pangalan nito, hindi si Tom Cruise, si pangalan na isa, Brad Pitt. That is right. So, but anyways, diba? If you watch the news, parang ganun. It's always been like that eh. Why? Because what sells is the negative thing. Ulitin ko po, ang bibenta sa radio, TV, newspaper ay yung mga negative things. If you are wondering, Sir John, why do they just put negative? Ba't hindi nila dagdagan ng positive? Well, hindi kasi bibenta yung positive eh. That is a thing. Yung mga good news, hindi masyado bibenta yan eh. Kaya panoorin nyo, mamaya or bukas, sa ulo ng mga nagbabagang balita, boom! Negative agad yung sunod nun. Trust me, 90% of the time. The only thing ng mga good news dyan, pagka nanalo si Manny Pacquiao, nanalo tayo ng Miss Universe, ganyan. But, puro negative. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.